How you doing? So we're going to make this cabbage today, red cabbage. It actually works with white cabbage as well. We're going to cook this with sultanas or raisins. That's up to you what you want to use. Nice bit of sweetness and cumin. This really is delicious, healthy, good for you, vegetarian and vegan. Okay, so what we have here is some red cabbage. What I've done there is I've shredded it, but not too thin. You know, we're not making like a coleslaw or something. So it's got a bit of body to it. And then I've got half a cup of onion, half a cup of raisins or sultanas, that's up to you. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and a tablespoon of garlic. Really simple, this one, and delicious. So I've got a wok here. You're going to need a wok or a skillet or something like that. And I've got some olive oil in there. I'm going to drop in that teaspoon of the cumin seeds. I've just put the heat on. We're just on above medium. I'm going to drop in that half cup of onion, the 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, just a few more little cumin seeds there, I don't want to waste them. I'm then going to add salt, black pepper to taste, and we're going to go on this above medium heat just for 2 minutes. Now simply we're going to add our red cabbage, and of course this will work obviously with white cabbage as well. And to that we're going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and we're going to stir fry this for maybe about 4 minutes or so. Keep it moving. So that's about 4 minutes, still got a nice crunch on it. Now I'm going to drop in my dried fruit. Like I say, sultanas or raisins are fine. And all we're going to do now is just add a little bit of water. Then we're going to keep going for about another 3 or 4 minutes, depending on how you like your cabbage. I don't mind mine with a little bit of crunch. Okay, off goes the heat there, and that's beautiful. That last bit of water that we just added just gives it a little steam. But yeah, a little bit of crunch on there still, but I like it like that. Obviously, if you want, you can cook it a little bit more, get it soft. I'll get that on a plate. Okay, and there you go. Very, very simple and delicious. I like the cumin in there, and then the sweetness of the dried fruit. Really good. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you really soon. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. I really do appreciate it. We're going great guns. We've got over 100 million views as I speak, over 500,000 subscribers. I mean, we've been going for some years now, but yeah, we're doing great. We're just banging away. Just moved house, so you're going to see a bit of a different kitchen very soon in the next videos, if not already. This might be on the end of one of the new ones. I'm sitting in a completely empty house right now, apart from this table and a couple of bits, because we've been so busy doing that. Enjoying ourselves, kids are fine. and yeah, enjoying life as much as we can. Now, if you do want to support the channel, and I really would like you to if you want, there's a link below for a PayPal account. Stick in $1,000 for me, will you? Every week, without fail. No, seriously, if you want to donate any money, even like $2, $3 or something like that, it really does help us out. We don't endorse any products. I don't sort of take sponsorship from anyone. Basically, because I don't think most of it's any good, to be honest. Not that I'm sort of not a capitalist, but yeah, if you want to donate, that'd be brilliant. Check out Rahel's channel, which is Ethiopian food that she does. She's doing great with that. All in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia. Might be a bit difficult for you to watch. Chef June is obviously banging stuff out on the channel here, doing some fantastic Filipino stuff. He's also got his own channel. Again, the link's down below for that. That's it. Doing well, enjoying life. Hope you're enjoying life as well. Again, thank you so much for checking out our channel. See you later.